How do I switch between two Apple IDs on one Mac?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today we're going to tackle a question we've heard quite often. How do I switch between two Apple IDs on one Mac? If you're sharing a Mac with someone else or if you have two Apple IDs for different purposes, you may need to switch between these accounts. So, let's get started.
Understanding Apple IDs and their significance.
An Apple ID is your personal account for everything in the Apple ecosystem. It's an essential part of using Apple services like the App Store, Apple Music, iCloud, iMessage, FaceTime, and more. You might have multiple Apple IDs if you share your Mac with others or for keeping your personal and work stuff separate.
How to log out of your current Apple ID.
Step 1. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. Step 2. From the drop-down menu, choose System Preferences. Step 3. Next, click on Apple ID at the top right. Step 4. On the left-hand panel, at the bottom, you'll see an Overview section. Click it. Step 5. Now on the right, you'll see your Apple ID information. At the bottom of this section, click on Sign Out. Do remember to save any unsaved work as this process may close some of your apps.
How to log in with a different Apple ID.
Step 1. Go back to System Preferences and click on Apple ID. Step 2. Now, instead of your Apple ID information, you'll see a sign-in option. Click on it. Step 3. Enter the Apple ID and password for the account you want to switch to. Step 4. Click Next and follow the prompts to complete the sign-in process. And there you have it. You're now using a different Apple ID on your Mac. Switching between Apple IDs on your Mac can be simple if you know the right steps. Remember, logging out of one ID won't delete any data, but it will stop syncing with iCloud until you log back in. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.